Hey guys, so what you're seeing here in front of you is a mesh office chair. It's actually made by a company called Bayside Furnishings by Wallen or whatever. Anyway, it's sold in Costco, and this, if you go to Costco, this is the only mesh chair you're gonna see right there at this point, which is June, July of 2020. So I needed an office chair for my computer. As you can see, I just moved here. I don't have any chairs, and this seems like a great, well-built chair for only $100 at Costco. And if you know, Costco always sells very high-quality stuff for very good price. I'm not paid by them to say that. I discovered it myself because I'm a constant shopper at Costco. So in this state, it's partially assembled. Why I want to show you from this point on is because it's extremely easy to assemble. Basically, it comes with a whole bunch of pieces. However, it only comes with, the only thing you need to do, you need to screw is 4 screws on the base of the chair and 4 screws on the arm next to the neck of the chair. That's pretty much you have to do. All those stuff, the piston, you pretty much just drop it onto the bottom base, and the wheels, you push it in, and the installation is so much, it's so easy, okay? But the main thing I really want to show you guys if you also buy this chair is make sure when you install this piece, the controlling unit, make sure the direction is correct. When I got mine, there was a marker that says front. However, the marker was wrong because this is actually the back side, so the marker was reversed. So just double check to make sure the direction of the control unit is correct, because if it's incorrect, you cannot screw the back piece on the control unit. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind. And at this state, all I have to do is just put this piece, drop it onto there, and it's pretty much ready to go. Okay, I want to tell you guys that it's really comfortable because I tested it at Costco. It's really comfortable. And let me just simply drop it over here and give it a quick test. Here you go. And so the whole assembly, if you take notes, don't mess up the front and the back. It's about 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes max. And this arm, really comfortable. I was sitting at Costco testing this arm. It's adjustable, so which is really nice. It's actually very comfortable, and let's see, height adjustable as well. But I think for me, even the lowest setting is actually a good fit. So the front back tilt adjustable, and let's see, and can also like just move around like that, which is nice. So, and I wouldn't have trouble sitting on this chair for extended periods of time doing computer work. The mesh seems like high quality mesh, and again, it's very high airflow, so you're not gonna have lots of sweat when you're like sitting here for a long time doing computer work. And I would say, wow, so far I really like this chair. And I believe the tilt is also adjustable by turning this knob. So that's pretty much it. It rolls very nice, very quiet on the hardwood floor. No complaint. So if you guys have any questions about this Costco mesh chair by Bayside Furnishings, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this quick video, and I hope you got the tips. If you found it helpful, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I should have more similar contents coming out for you guys again. Okay, so thanks again, and take care.